Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy puff stitch hat. So let's get started. I'm working with a 6mm crochet hook and one strand of worsted weight yarn. Start with a slip knot. And I'm working bottom up, and I'm going to work a chain. And to work a chain, you simply pick up the yarn and pull it through the hook. Okay, I've worked my foundation chain, and I'm going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. And if you just run it through your fingers like I did, you can feel the bumps on the back side, and then you can make sure you don't twist your chain. And I'm working bottom up, so I'm going to make the band first. So I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way around that. That chain 2 takes the place of the first double crochet, so double crochet into the next stitch and double crochet in each stitch all the way around. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Chain 2. In the next stitch, you're going to make a front post double crochet. Yarn around the hook, insert it under the post of the double crochet, and then just complete your double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next. Like that. Repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around working my band, and at the end of the row I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. So now I'm going to start working my puff stitch. So I'm going to chain 2, and in that same stitch I'm going to yarn around my hook, insert into the stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch and pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops. Pick up the yarn and pull it through all 7. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, make a puff stitch in the next stitch. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, pick up the yarn, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull through all 7. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch. In the next stitch, make another puff stitch. So yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. I have 7 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pick up the yarn and pull it through all 7 loops. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, go ahead and make another puff stitch. Chain 1, skip, make another puff stitch. Chain 1. Now you're going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around making puff stitches. At the end of the row, I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to come over and I'm going to slip stitch into the top of that first puff stitch, like that. You could work back and forth, or you can just continue to work in a circle. So I would slip stitch into the next chain 1 space, chain 2, and then make my next puff stitch. 1, 2, 3. I have 7 loops on my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 7, chain 1. Go to the next chain 1 space and make another puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, pull through all the loops. 1, 2, 3, pull through all the loops. Chain 1. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all the loops. And that's how easy it is. Every row will be exactly the same. You'll work until you reach the proper height for the hat. Okay, I have worked a few rows, and you're going to continue to work that same row. So keep on working until you have the hat the correct length, and then I'll show you how you decrease for the top of the hat. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space. You're going to continue doing that all the way around. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Okay, so work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and then I'm just going to continue to skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Skip, single crochet. Skip, single crochet. Skip, single crochet. So just keep working around and around until you close the top of the hat. Okay, I just continued to skip a stitch, and then you can fasten off and weave that yarn end back into the finished work. And that's how easy it is to crochet the hat. And now I'll show you how to crochet the flower. To crochet the flower, start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch. Now for each petal, we're going to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single crochet in the ring. And you're just going to continue to do that until you have worked 12 loops in the ring. And that's how it will look. And you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you can sew a button in the center or a pearl. I have this cute little button that has some little bits of glitter in it. And then you can attach the flower to the hat. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this puff stitch hat. And if you like, you can attach a faux fur pom-pom on the top of the hat. And I'll put a link below on how to make your own faux fur pom-poms. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.